So you just got your hands on the Nothing Phone 3 Pro. Sleek design, cool Glyph lights, and all. But to really get the most out of it, you need the right accessories. In this video, we're breaking down 7 must-have accessories that'll level up your experience, whether it's protection, charging, or just making your phone more fun to use. Let's dive in and check out the best add-ons for your Nothing Phone 3 Pro. First up, a charger that does it all. The CMF Power 100-watt GAN fast charger. If you're tired of juggling multiple chargers for your phone, tablet, and laptop, this one's a game changer. With 2 USB-C ports and a USB-A port, you can charge up to 3 devices at once. No more fighting over outlets. And speed? This thing pushes 100 watt of power, so whether you're topping up your Nothing Phone 3 Pro or juicing up a laptop, it's fast and efficient. Plus, it's smart enough to distribute power evenly, making sure every device charges at its optimal speed. Safety-wise, you're covered. It's got built-in protection against overheating, short circuits, and even voltage spikes. And the flame retardant shell? Just an extra layer of peace of mind. If you're looking for a powerful, reliable, and compact charger that can handle all your devices, this is definitely one to consider. Now let's talk about today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. If you've got the Nothing Phone 3 Pro, a great pair of earbuds is a must, and Nothing Ear A is the perfect match. With its bold, transparent design and a fresh, bubble-shaped case, it looks sleek while staying lightweight and pocket-friendly. And that striking yellow color? Definitely a standout. Sound-wise, these pack a powerful 11mm dynamic driver, delivering deep bass, crisp highs, and rich clarity. Whether you're listening to music, gaming, or taking calls, the audio feels balanced and immersive. The 45 decibel smart active noise cancellation automatically adapts to your surroundings, so background noise doesn't get in the way. Calls sound clearer too, thanks to clear voice technology, which cuts out wind and ambient noise. Battery life is solid, up to 42.5 hours with the case, and a quick 10-minute charge gives you 10 hours of playback. Simple, powerful, and a perfect fit for the Nothing ecosystem. A good case is a must to keep your phone looking fresh, and this Ustia transparent case does exactly that. It lets you show off the phone's original design while adding solid protection against drops and impacts, thanks to its shock-absorbing corners and flexible TPU material. Unlike many clear cases, this one won't get that annoying sticky look because of the micro dot texture inside. Plus, the matte side strips make it easier to grip, so your phone feels secure in your hand and won't slip easily. It's also super easy to clean. Just a quick wipe, and it looks brand new. And if you like to personalize your phone, you can slip in photos or stickers on the back for a unique touch. With raised edges for screen and camera protection, this case keeps your phone safe without hiding its beauty. If you're someone who's always worried about scratches or smudges on your screen, the Muis VS Screen Protector is a must-have. Made from 9H tempered glass, it's tough enough to protect your phone from everyday hazards like keys or coins. Not only does it offer solid protection, but it also keeps your screen's clarity at 99.99% HD, so you won't notice any difference in your display. The hydrophobic coating helps resist fingerprints, making it easier to keep your screen clean. And if you're using a case, no worries. It's designed to be case-friendly, with precise cutouts that fit perfectly with 99% of cases out there. It's a simple yet effective accessory to protect your screen while keeping the touch experience smooth. If you're looking to elevate your health tracking, the CMF Smartwatch Pro 2 is a must-have accessory for your phone. This smartwatch keeps an eye on your heart rate, sleep patterns, stress levels, and SpO2, giving you comprehensive insights into your health. You can sync all of your data with Apple Health, Google Health Connect, and Strava for easy tracking across platforms. Plus, it's not just about monitoring your health. With Bluetooth calling, you can make clear calls right from the watch, and the gesture control lets you manage calls or music with simple wrist movements. The 1.32-inch AMOLED display is vibrant, and with interchangeable straps and bezels, you can match it to your style. Whether you're hitting the gym with its 120 sports modes or just going about your day, this smartwatch has everything you need to keep track of your fitness and health and style. When you're out and about and need a quick charge, the Anker Zolo portable charger has you covered. With 30-watt fast charging, it quickly powers up your phone, tablet, or any other device, so you can stay connected without the wait. What makes this charger stand out is its durability. The built-in 5.4-inch USB-C cable is designed to withstand over 10,000 bends, making it perfect for daily use. You won't have to worry about wear and tear. Plus, it features bi-directional charging, meaning you can charge both the power bank itself and your devices at 30-watt output and a 20-watt input. Compact and mighty, this charger fits easily in your bag or pocket, so you can take it anywhere. It's a great accessory to keep your phone charged and ready for whatever comes next. For anyone who spends a lot of time driving, the Lamicall car phone holder is a must-have accessory for your phone. It features 4-lock protection, ensuring your phone stays secure, even during sharp turns or bumpy roads. Plus, it's compatible with both vertical and horizontal car air vents, offering excellent stability no matter how you set it up. This holder is also perfect for those with thicker cases. Thanks to its adjustable arms and foot, it fits phones with wallet or battery cases without any trouble. And the silicone back layer keeps your device scratch-free. Made with high-quality, heat-resistant materials, the holder's 360-degree rotation gives you the perfect viewing angle for navigation, taking calls, or changing music. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to install in just 2 simple steps. If you need a reliable phone mount for your car, this one's definitely worth considering. That's a wrap on our list of the 7 must-have accessories for Nothing Phone 3 Pro. Which accessory are you most excited to try out with New Year phone? Let me know in the comments below.